bonke bazapha so thina siphuma elokishini bayazi sinamabosa ngokugqekeza emakhishini. What the fuck is that? Leso sidala sifake imali ebhenki amafika ne-rubber band niwagcina nge-underpan thina mafika siwagcina makudwadla imali ebhenki phela sashisa saphila manje sasingamabrand lafi besifisa sayidla bheka imikhaba man ukucabangela ebhokisini izinto zama-undertake athi ngeke abanye abantwana nenyapho yabo
valo njengempumputhe sestadium angeke ubone umdlalo basaba ukufa bayabaleka bana chance ngithele i-alpirim emhlabathini akekho zodla phansi yekukungibuza ace ungeke kudala ngikhuza late ngishaya iline elidaka umrapper ngimshiya nephuza face player hate mina ngibe busy negate ngihamba phezu kwekhalenda mawufuna ungibona ngi-up to date sazogcwala ngami uMickey M yeah uMickey M dlala ngeflow uMickey M yeah uMickey M that's for sure.
Mangiphala ngibamba umshini I stand out with the punch njengebox esabo ngene ringini labo ngrapper ngibayenzela ifilm kuloko ngibathole off guard njenge-security myselifini baflow is deep baba ngisuma namashak bonke they can't find me mokosdala ngamgunya fast ngiyaphefumula emanzini ngibhoza ngenza i-octopus ipractice amafish I can breathe underwater I'm ill kumele ngifake i-oxygen mangirekhoda ngiphathe ne-passport cause noma kunini ngisengabhoda nami ngicross i-country ngithukuthora maybe ngiqale China bese ngigcwala umhlaba wonke ngathi ngicorona sininini make them on the same race ka-Trevor Noah ngikhipha umntwana black and white njengesithombe sakushona yebo baba
khambani ikhezo lama-mason liyablinga uyisitabani izenzo zaka-jason ziyakulinga ngivutha njengomsuthu ngiyeka ipapa ngidla iphuthu ngimila isihluthu ngirepha kushubcop indlebe ziphuma intuthu angiyiluzi the kind of flow ngiyi-abuse kuyafana both le ntwana zithi zihot kanti zimeduze kwebrama stove ngiyishaya iphindwe emanzini ngifaka amaveinsweni indlebe mangirepha nizwe egazini niphambanela ukushuka mina nihlanganela ugroove ingqondo zenu zile mgogodlo nihlala niqabangele emuva kodwa ngantshela not to act with me usha ngeplane eyi-1 njengendlu zama-RDP Mr Nice Guy
mara la mzansi asikho babhaka abadope most work especially lezi zisarama kaso yabona knockouts jimmy insins hlaka siqole ngamaphutha kawusikhipheni incheese and the same guys bahlema ukuthi they keeping it real basibona bangabo-Tupac after sniffing a pill ungajutha ama-lyrics in most lines they lie yabekho gangster kimost yabo bomami kenai nani ninaki najutheka ngilaha ngiyi-1 banishaka ngenkazi emadlebeni they fuck with your mind ubheka ngizobe ngithola ama-threats after this verse cause bayazi lyrical abekho fit to this back. That's why when they keep yapping you about Dr. Westmumu and give them silent treatment.
Intandane emakamera nangobaba wekasirap ozani nginiphamatera sha baking soda I got baking soda izinje spam umrapper wigs is a zap sporja we overtaking a reverse I mean we taking over so ahead of time they get a picture ngakaqeda ukuposa I rise hard as a sun like hello you a bitch ass nigga if I come you'll swallow keep it gun kalum ratatata fast buffer wong speed separaffin kappa fast travel on yeah sonke siyazi uyifollow eshange nambu hamba upenda igama lami with all of your favorite colors awhlu kangakukhalenda cause all of your days are numbered ngakheya ngekaka watch how you all on my mess like plumbers now Jace a goat me when we sheep threats up
shooting shots and they miss they can never handle this who the heck is this who the heck is this who the heck is this I'm